Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily set up a Facebook ads for your dropshipping product. Now, I understand most of us want to start a dropshipping business, but you can't do much if you can't promote your dropshipping product. So which is more of the reason I'm setting up this video to walk you through how you can easily create a Facebook ad to promote your dropshipping product. So if it is something you like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if it's your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section, and most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so you're welcome back once again, and like I said, I'm going to be walking you through how you can easily set up a Facebook ad to promote your dropshipping business. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using this product, a product I recently set up on my Shopify store, to walk you through how you can run a Facebook ad to promote the product. All right, so for you to get started, you obviously need to have a Shopify store in place. If you are yet to create your Shopify store, I did a video on how to do that, so I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around there. Then I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video to create a Shopify store for yourself if you are yet to create a store. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify dashboard, then search for Facebook and Instagram. You can just search for Meta. Then when you see something like this, you want to install it, then you'll be able to link your Shopify store with your Facebook ad account. So once you've linked the two together, you'll be able to install the Facebook pixel in your Shopify store. So you'll be able to run any ads to promote any product on your Shopify store. All right, so what you want to do now is copy the link of the product, then head over to Facebook. So here I'm going to click on create. Then I'm going to scroll down, then I'm going to click on sales. All right, because the purpose of creating the ad is to generate sales for the product. So after that, what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on continue. What you simply want to do here is just scroll down, then click on manual sales campaign. So click on manual sales campaign, then after that click on continue. So I'm going to give the campaign the name of the product I'm promoting, so which is 4-in-1 makeup kit. Alright, so I've just named the campaign, so I named it the name of the product I want to promote. So scroll down, then click on next. So this is ad set. So this is where we're going to be creating the ad, where we're going to be adding our target interest, the country we're going to be targeting, and stuff like that. Since this is the first one we're going to be doing, so the first one is going to be a model, then we're going to duplicate it for like 4 times. So the total ad set we're going to be having is like 5. So the first one, I'm going to name the first one US, because the first country I want to target is the United States. So I'm going to be naming the first ad set United States. So once you've named your interest, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then leave it at website. Scroll down again, you're going to see maximize number of conversion, leave it at that one. Then the next thing you want to do is to select your pixel. So I'm going to click on the drop down menu here to select my pixel. So this is my pixel, so I'm going to click on it. So the next thing here is to select the event you want the pixel to track, which is going to be purchase. So I'm going to scroll down, then look for purchase. So this is purchase. I'm going to click on purchase. So it's been a while I used the website, so just ignore this. So the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, then add the budget to the campaign. I'm going to start with 10,000 naira here. All right, so for the start date, I'm going to change this to the next day. So today is 25th, so I'm going to change it to 26th. Then I'm going to change the time to 12 a.m. So I'm going to leave it at 12:01. So the ad is going to start the first thing tomorrow morning. So scroll down, then come over here, then click on switch to original audience option. So I'm going to click on switch to original audience option. So I'm going to have full control over what we're going to be doing. So what you want to do here is come over to the location area here, then remove your current country, then you want to search for United States. So here I'm going to search for United States. So I'm going to click on United States. Then for the age bracket, depending on the kind of product you are selling, you can easily tell the kind of people that will be interested in the product. So you yourself should be able to indicate the age of people that might be interested in the product you want to sell. So for my own, I'm going to leave it at 18 to 50. So I'm going to leave it at 18 to 55. So after that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down here, then click on gender. So obviously it's going to be women that is going to be interested in this product. So after that, what you want to do is you want to come to the detailed targeting. So this is where we're going to be adding the interest of people that might be interested in this. So what you want to do is just search for makeup, since what we are selling is around makeup. So I'm going to search for makeup. Yeah, so I'm just going to pick one of the interests. So I've just picked one interest. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then leave it at advantage plus placement. So once you've done that, the next thing we want to do is to click on next, then proceed to the ad level, where we're going to be adding the video and the ad text for the product we want to sell. All right, so the next thing you want to do here is just click on next. So come over here, then give your ad a name. So I'm going to give mine video ad 1. Alright, so I've just named it. So the next thing you want to do is scroll down here, so you can see the Facebook page you're going to be using to promote your dropshipping product, and you can also use the Facebook page on Instagram. So the next thing you want to do is you're also going to see ad setup. So leave it at create ad. So here you want to scroll down, then click on manual upload. So I'm going to click on manual upload, so I'll be able to upload the video I'm going to be using for the ad. So when you scroll down again, you're going to see format. So we have single image or video, we have carousel. So choose single image or video. So when you scroll down, you're going to see add media. So this is where you're going to be adding the image and the video you're going to be using to promote the product. So if you scroll down again, you're going to see primary text. So this is where you're going to be adding the ad copy. This is where you're going to be adding the headline, and this is where you're going to be adding the description. So this is what I'm going to say now. For you to run a successful Facebook dropshipping ad, you need to have your own unique images and video. But since you are just getting started and you are not sure if this product is going to fly, you are just trying to test the product and be sure if it's something that can do well on Facebook, then after you've known that the product is going to do well, then you can now proceed to scaling the product. You can easily go over to TikTok, then search for the video of the product. So now the product we want to promote is 4-in-1 makeup pen. So I'm just going to come over here, then I'm going to search for 4-in-1 makeup pen. All right, so as you can see, we have tons of video around the product we want to sell. So what you want to do is just look at the video and look for the one that has the better engagement, then download this video. Then you want to resize it to Facebook format. So after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come back to your Facebook ads, then you want to upload the video, then use it to text this product ad. So when you discover the video is turning out well on Facebook, or the advert in general is doing fine, now the next thing you want to do is to come over to this platform. I'm going to add their link at the description of the video. So what they do is they create unique video for any product you want to dropship. So be it TikTok, be it Facebook, any platform you want to promote your product, you can order for a video for any unique product, and they'll create the video for the product for you. So since you are trying to promote our product on Facebook and Instagram, so you can just order for this single video ad, which is perfect for Facebook and Instagram. So instead of you using saturated video to promote your product on Facebook, you can have a unique video dedicated for yourself and use it to scale the product ad on Facebook. So I'm going to add their link as the description of the video, so you can just go over there, then order for this product and have your own unique product instead of using a video that everybody else is using to promote the same product. All right, so once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come over to add media here, then click on add video. So here you're going to upload the video, and once you've uploaded the video, what you want to do is you want to select the video, then click on next. So it's going to ask you to trim the video if you want to trim it. All right, so I think the recommended seconds for video on Facebook is 15 seconds, and this video is around 18 seconds long. So if you want to trim it, all you simply need to do is just trim it here, and then after that click on next. So just click on the recommended size here, then I'm going to come over here, then click on the recommended size, then after that I'm going to click on next. So once you've done that, all you simply need to do is just click on done. So the next thing for you to do here is to scroll down. So when you scroll down, you're going to be able to add the ad copy for the product. Then you also have the headline and the description. So the call to action, you also have to change it to shop now. So let me come here, then scroll down, then click on shop now. So this is shop now, then you change it to shop now. So for the primary text, so what I basically do is I go over to ChatGPT, then I ask ChatGPT to create an ad copy for me to promote any product. So this is the one I asked it to create for me. So I'm just going to copy it, then come back here, then I'm going to paste it here. So for the headline, I can just come here, then copy this, then paste it here. So for the description, you can just say up to 30% discount. So you just have to be creative about it. So the next thing we want to do now is to add the product link to the product. So I'm going to go back to my Shopify store, and I'm going to copy the URL of the product. So I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to paste the URL here, and that's it. So you can just go over the text, make sure what you've written here is correct and there is no mistake. So once that is done correctly, what you want to do next is come over to the video ad, then duplicate it. So depending on the number of videos you have, so for example you have 3 videos, so what you want to do is you want to duplicate it, then make the number of copy 2. So when you make the number of copy 2, so with the original video you have, so it's going to be 3. So it's going to be 3 ads. So in my own case, I only have 2 videos. So I'm going to make the number of copy 1. So with the original one is going to be 2 with the duplicate. So I'm going to click on duplicate. Alright, so as you can see, I've just duplicated the video. So the only thing I'm going to do is to remove the video, then add another video to this. So what you're going to do here is just scroll up, then click on remove. Then I'm going to click on add. Then I'm going to add another video. So here I'm going to choose another video that I'm going to add. So I'm going to click on next. So I'm going to click on the recommended pixel. Then after that, I'm going to click on next. All right, so everything looks fine. So I'm just going to click on done so we can proceed. So as you can see, everything is uploaded successfully. So I'm going to scroll up, then I'm going to rename the ad name. So I'm going to name it video ad 2. Alright, so after that, the next thing we're going to do now is to duplicate the ad set and make it 4. So we're going to be having 5 total ad set. So in your home case, like I said earlier, just try as much as possible to have at least 3 videos. You could also have set of images that you can use as carousel. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see that we have a single image or video, we have carousel. So when you choose carousel, you could upload like 4 different images of the product, then create an ad of carousel. So once you've done that, what we want to do is come back to the ad set here, which is the first one. So the first country I target is United States. So as you can see, I'm just going to click on this, then I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to make the number of copies to be 4. So with the original ad set, that means we're going to be having 5 total ad set. So I'm going to click on duplicate here. Alright, so as you can see, I've just duplicated the ad set. So we have 5 in total. So the first one is United States. So this is the second one, this is the third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So the only thing you're going to be doing now is to come over to the second ad set here. So here what you want to do is you want to change the country you are targeting. Then we're also going to be changing the interest. So here I'm going to choose Canada. So I'm going to name this Canada. So I'm going to scroll down, then search for Canada. So I'm going to remove United States. Then I'm going to search for Canada. All right, so this is Canada. So I'm just going to select Canada. So the next thing we want to do is to come down, then change this interest here. So for you to change it, all you simply need to do is just click on suggestion. So Facebook is going to recommend some interest that is similar to the first interest you choose. So we have eyeshadow cosmetic. So I'm going to click on the first one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the initial one. So I'm done with the Canada ad set. So the next thing you want to do now is to come over to the third one again. So this third one, you could also come to the country section here, remove United States here, then search for Australia. All right, so this is Australia. So I'm going to select Australia. So you want to scroll down again, then you want to change the interest. So I'm going to click on the suggestion again, and I'm going to look for anything in the line of makeup. So I'm going to choose mascara here. So this is mascara. So I'm going to remove the initial one. So the next thing I want to do is to change the ad set. So I'm going to name this Australia. So I'm done with this. So what you want to do again is you want to scroll down here, then come over to the fourth one. So this is the fourth one. So I'm going to rename this to United Kingdom. So this is United Kingdom. So I'm going to select United Kingdom. Then we move down to the interest. So I'm going to click on suggestion. Then I'm going to look for anyone. So I'm going to click on eyeliner. then I'm going to remove the first one, which is makeup brush. I'm done with United Kingdom. So the next thing we want to do is to go to the last one. So what I'm going to do for the last one is name this e-packet country. So I'm going to be adding list of e-packet country together, then I'm going to be targeting them. So here you can just name it e-packet country. So this is e-packet country. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down. So we're going to remove United States here. Then what you want to do is you can just go over to Google, then search for e-packet country. So when you search for e-packet country, you're going to see list of e-packet country. So let me quickly search for it and show you. So this is it, e-packet country. So when you search for it, scroll down and you're going to see a post by Shopify. So just click on it. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the blog. Scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see the list of the country. So these are the list of the country. So what you want to do is you want to pick them one by one, then come back to your Facebook ad, then search for them. So I'm going to search for Croatia, then this is Croatia. So I'm going to select Croatia. Now I'm going to go back here, then I'm going to search for Denmark. Then I'm going to do it for all of them. So this is the mark. So once you've done it for all of them, the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down here, then choose another interest. So I'm going to click on suggestion, then look for any interest here. So I'm going to choose this, then I'm going to remove the first one. So once you've done that, you've successfully created 5 different ad sets, and we have 2 video ads. So the next thing you want to do now is to cross-check everything that you've done. So once you've done that, you want to scroll down here, then you want to click on publish. So when you publish your ad, Facebook is going to review the ad, then start showing it to your potential customer. So this is basically how you can create a Facebook ad that you can use to promote your dropshipping business. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to create additional video on how to set up Facebook ads using TikTok ads, I want you to drop it in the comment section. And if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.